Over Tempest pack. Let's go. Yay. I got 2 of these. So yay. Okay, white code. Don't give 2 damns about that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's hope for something good in this pack. Lightning Energy. Ferrothorn. Toxicroak. Professor Laventon. Smeargle. Litten. Oh, yes! Petal. That's one of my Pokemon I wanted to collect for cards. Chinchou. Ferroseed. Reverse Hollow Unidentified Fossil. And then Bullseye. Regidrago V. That is a big bullseye there, mate. That is a big one. I wish I had sleeves. So I'm gonna keep these. These are, of course, these 2 are going in this pocket here. Safe and sound tucked away. And these cards are going in there. Not there. And my second Pokemon pack. Let me just look around for this. What? So this is one of the newest packs. Crap. Okay, white code. Okay, white code card. There's the code. Okay. Stuff this in here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. To the front. Fighting Energy. Quad Stone. Morpeko. Capturing Aroma. Indeedee. Mrs. Drevius. Marini. Swablu. What the? Swirlix. Okay, we got a Reverse Hollow Worker, and then yep, Delphox. This was by far the worst pack. Oh man. Yeah, you know what? I guess I'll keep these. That was that video. See you guys in the next one.